Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. And for everyone who hasn't been here before, well, for people who's returning, thank you for returning and actually being finding value in this content that I'm producing. So I do thank you, and I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. For people who are new, what I like to do in this channel is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe that if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of these areas in life, we can actually live more free, live more abundant, eradicate disease, have more wealth and health in our lives, and be able to travel the world, you'd be able to experience this entire planet and maybe even someday off planet, and enjoy the foods, the cultures, and again, just enjoy life and just help other people, help them pursue the same type of lifestyle. And I just truly believe that's what we're meant to do, because this world is big enough for us to be able to travel, see different sights, enjoy it, and not just stick in one place for our whole lives and just have regrets. So again, that's what I'm about on this channel. So if you like these messages, please like the videos, please subscribe, please share, please comment below, and just let me know some of your thoughts. So today's video is actually on how to be more productive. And sorry, I had to look over here at my notes. Sometimes I just forget stuff. I actually made a video on remembering things better, and I am still needing to work on that myself. But anyway, how to be more productive, guys. So like I stated in my prior videos, a few different videos, again, like I said, I repeat things over and over almost every video because you have to hear things more than once in order for it to stick. Think about it. If you were a baby and you only tried to attempt to walk once, think about that. We will all be slipping on our bellies like snakes. And you know, look at how the world would be different if we never learned to walk. So it takes time and effort and repetitiveness to develop different habits. So that's why I have a lot of repetition in my videos. I do that on purpose, just so if you guys watch them, you will hear the same message, and hopefully it just one day clicks in your mind. But again, to be more productive, guys, like I said in the last video I posted, again, you want to replace things from lesser value, things of lesser value with things of greater value. And again, I give examples of that throughout many videos. Again, stop watching TV when you come from work, read a book, network, educate yourself, talk to people in the field you want to be more successful. And also to be more productive, again, when it comes to your scheduling, again, I said this before, you need to have a blueprint. Just make sure, let's say you have 20 things on your calendar for one day. Take off all the stuff that doesn't matter. I guarantee you most of it is junk, or you don't really need to do it. Just focus on 2 to 3 things that you can focus on that day, because that'll actually help you be more productive. The less you do, the more productive you are. It may sound weird to some of you, but it's true. Give it a try. I challenge you on that. So focus on 2 or 3 things to put on your calendar per day that are productive, and meaning things that will help you get to the lifestyle that you want, whatever that lifestyle is, whether it's more wealth, better health, better fitness with your body, better mental health, or learning more, better verbal communication skills, be able to speak to people more confidently and in public as well. Just whatever it is you're meant to do, just focus your time on those things, and you will actually develop and become better over time. No one's perfect, guys. Even the greatest. Think about it. Michael Jordan was, to me, the greatest basketball player in the entire existence of basketball. He still had a coach. Tiger Woods, really awesome golf player. He still had a coach. Again, people, typically in sporting events, they have coaches, even if they're number one, they're making millions of dollars, maybe more money than their coaches, but they're still being coached. Again, you do need a mentor coach to just help you narrow down and stay focused. But if you guys want to be more productive, again, eliminate things out of your schedule that's preventing you from being productive, and just focus on 2 to 3 things to do every day. It could be same habits or a flip-flop between habits. Maybe let's say, you know, every day you read, but then maybe some of your other habits flip-flop. Okay, I'm going to networking event 2 times a week, and then I'm going to listen to podcasts 3 times a week. Something like that, just so you can keep a balance of keeping it consistently 3 on your schedule. So that's actually how you can be more productive. Also, if you keep an organized and clean home, you can find things easier and better. And actually, again, with productivity, it would just eliminate time wasted from trying to find things. And then when you come home, you feel a little slow and groggy because the house is filthy, and you're like, oh, this place is a mess. And that's in your mind, on your mind. So you keep it pretty much clean for the most part. Maybe do a deep clean once a month, or if you can afford it, hire a maid service to actually come and tidy up a little bit if you can afford that, or if that's your goal. Work to be able to have someone that's a professional come clean your house, because that's their business, and they're a business owner doing that for the, you know, that's what they're passionate about. But again, guys, just reduce your daily workload, narrow down habits to 2 or 3 things a day, and that's actually how you can produce productivity and increase it exponentially. So I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions, comments, please share them below. Please like these videos, share them, subscribe to this channel, and You guys have a great day. Also, if you still need help with manifesting what you want and having the right type of mindset, I do have a couple of resources that I'm partnering with. So go ahead and click on those links into your email address, and then it will take you to some videos. Watch those videos and let me know what you guys think. Alrighty, so Greg with Planet Green Zen, and you guys do have a great day.